As an RS Industria platform user, you now have the functionality to input and visualize production volumes and data within the platform. If you navigate to the home bar, under Setup, you'll notice that production volumes has now been added. Once in this page, click New Production Volume and input the required information. You have the option to input total production or total rejects, and also the time period between daily and weekly that you want to create the production volumes for. Once your production volume has been created, click View or the arrow to bring up the production volume page. Once in this page, we add all the production volume data. Once you've added all of your production volumes, it's now time to visualize that data. If you navigate to the Data Studio from the home bar on the left, click Add to Chart, again you will see production data has been added. Select the production volume of which you want to visualize. Firstly, you'll need to navigate back to the time frame of which you've added that production volume for. You then want to change from a line chart to a bar chart, and also change the interval to daily. Once these have been completed, click Apply Changes, and you can now view your production volume in Data Studio.